kids. Today we are going to learn to sketch using a technique called stippling. Okay, for that we are drawing a giraffe. Okay, so make an inverted triangle, draw an inverted triangle. Okay, draw a big inverted triangle like this. This is the face. Okay, now make one horizontal. I am doing it lightly with HB pencil. Okay, now eyes, nose, lips somewhere here. The ears will be around this line, so follow this line for ears position. Okay, from here I'll go this way. Okay, now it's like horn like. Take out two small horns for the giraffe. Okay, and for the body, it's a long leg actually. Do not draw a body. We are drawing a long neck. Okay, so we have position for eyes, nose, lips, ears. This is your first step of drawing a giraffe. Now I have used stippling technique. That is, I'm doing this giraffe by dots, only dots. Okay, the way you've done earlier, hatching, cross hatching, stippling is a technique that is done by creating only dots. Small dots, big dots, dark, light. Okay, so the light is coming from this direction. So as you can see, this part I have used very less dots. Okay, more dots are on the left hand side. Okay, now the eyes have just done by covering the black area. The rest, everything, the ears, the body, the entire giraffe, okay, is created by dots. You can create dots like this. Okay, and the areas that are little, very lightly, do the dots using 8B pencil. Sharpen the pencil well. Okay, using the same pencil, you can do this entire giraffe. Now, with light HB pencil, what you can do is, the areas that are very dark, you can just lightly shade those areas. That is, this is inside part of the ears. I am just making it. First do the entire stippling is done. Then later on identify areas that are little dark, and you can just lightly, very lightly move your pencil around the dark areas. Okay, the inside part of the tongue. This is the tongue. Okay, the giraffe is taking the tongue out. Okay, now this entire project is done by using stippling technique, that is dots. Okay, this is how this giraffe is going to look. Okay, thank you.